So the studio tour is open. I think for the first time today.
Say hello to these nice people.
Oh, hey there. You made it. Welcome to the Universal Studio Tour. I'm Jimmy Fallon. I'll be making sure that you get through this experience in one piece. You've got the very best guide.
Wow, dude.
And the greatest driver. They're the best. I love that. Even though they both me $5.
There you go.
I know you guys are excited to get on the tour, but first, a few safety rules.
Are you guys excited to be on the tour? Thank you. It's private property, but if you drop your phone overboard or you need to go to the restroom, pull the cord, and for the safety of you and the people around you, selfie sticks, and keep your mask, your face, reach the film here. I say used to because they don't film inside there anymore. They can't most of it. We're going to talk about the lady in the front car and the person back there in the second car. I appreciate that. Jackson clip. I'm not going to play Peter Jackson, but I want to say to you guys, I'm sorry we made you get on that other trim that didn't work and make you go off all the way across. I feel bad about that. You guys forgive me? Okay, I love you guys. I especially like that guy. Don't put your glasses on yet. Please remain seated because we're going to go see King Kong. You enjoy King Kong. I don't hear anyone applauding. Thank you. I don't think you want to applaud King Kong. Alright, so guys, get some photographs. Fancy cars. These are the actual cars from the actual movie. Some of these cars have working engines in them, some of them do not. Coming up on the left is the gyrosphere from Jurassic World. You'll notice there's no glass around the gyrosphere because the glass was computer generated for the movie. And this tank from Transformers is made out of wood. Do we have anyone on board who's taken the Jurassic Park?
Welcome to Jurassic Park.
Now, because of the COVID restrictions, you might be wondering, do the dinosaurs still spit on you when you drive out here? They enter, I think they still spit on you. But that's clean spit. It really is. People love to spit at dinosaurs. This is my favorite part of the tour because if you see any water coming down the hill on your left, just scream really, really loud, especially the children. spot you have in Hollywood, directed by Quentin Tarantino. Leonardo DiCaprio filmed a scene out there on that street. Now let me tell you something about Leonardo DiCaprio. A lot of movie stars in Hollywood, don't tell me what I'm telling you, because a lot of movie stars in Hollywood are very short. I don't want to mention any names. And whenever you see trucks and cars parked around here, you know the film is going on. I hope you'll
Alright.
So that was the Fox television series Bones starring David Bowie. Okay, guys, we get earthquakes here in Hollywood all the time. Sorry about this. Hang on, everyone. Whoa. Oh, the ceiling is digging in. Then there are sparks coming from the ceiling. Is that you? Oh, the ground, lady, look, the ground is breaking open. Wow. Oh! El Diablo! I think that was earthquake. I'm pretty sure. Steve, let's go see John. I know this is the only reason you took the tour. Certainly not to see me. Maybe you came to see Steve. Jaws is out here somewhere. Great Jaws. I have no idea where the shark is, but I've lost track of the shark. Shark is pulling out the pier. That is gasoline coming out of that nozzle. Right down in Hollywood, we call this fire. Where's the shark? There's the shark. I literally had no idea that was going to happen. I'm seeing all of this for the first time, just like you guys. What's the shark's name, folks? We're doing limited filming around the studio. So Good Girls, a very terrific TV show with Christina Hendricks. Shows like that heaven.
Looks like we're skipping over the Psycho area and the crashed airplane area. War of the Worlds section completely closed off. Not sure if they're going to change it to something else or if they're just refurbing it.
Everybody remain seated, please. Alright, so this garage is a well-known street racer parked here.
So look, see over there? It's Hobbs' urban assault vehicle. Best truck the U.S. government can buy. But that work of art back over there is made by my man Tej. Think of it as like a Mona Lisa on wheels.
I don't work for you. Oh, really? Well, tell me, Roman, who do you work for?
We don't work for nobody. I suggest you clear out here, otherwise we can't guarantee your safety.
Guarantee my safety? I'm the one holding the gun.
Yeah, but mine's a whole lot bigger than yours. Escort these novice out.
Let's go, Cookie Puss.
That ugly suit on, man, it's cheap.
Somebody out there really pissed off Sean. It's gonna get ugly fast.
Yeah, don't worry. Lucky for you, our whole family will protect you.
Are you kidding me, Roman? You didn't shut off your phone, bro?
I gotta call you back. I'm in the middle of something.
See what I'm talking about?
Call you back.
Man.
It was on fire,
Good driving, Steve. Thanks. Oh my gosh, I hope nobody got shot. I think I got shot. Steve, get me to the hospital. I'm okay. All right, get folks, if you're looking out to the right, and all of you looking out to the right, San Fernando Valley, Warner Brothers, 2 miles away from us. Casablanca was filmed out there back in 1942. My Fair Lady in 1964. So guys, this is the part of the tour where I say once again my name has been Robert, our driver. And normally I would go out there and answer questions, but they want the guides to stay back there and wipe off the tram and, you know, social distancing and all that stuff. So thanks a lot for being so nice, everybody. Have a great evening.